Hello and welcome once again on my cricket chat. So this is the famous and historical bat you can look my behind, and it's a Amaraf bat, Amaraf genius bat, and it sounds so good. So the test series between India and England has been now renamed once again, and it has been Tendulkar Anderson Trophy 2025 has been renamed. So it's a very proudest moment for Indian cricket, and this bat has given a lot of happiness memory, happy memory, and magic moments, we can say. The first very biggest innings has come 193 at 2002 lead test, where Sachin sir has smashed all the Aussies, England bowler actually, and it has been a very famous test series which India has been draw 1-1. So this is the famous bat. It was available on Sachin sir hand, and this particular bat helped. Sachin has played 193 innings. 2008, when England had come here in India, it was the remarkable Chennai test where Sachin sir had chased 387 is a tricky target on the Chennai pitch. This bat was the reason when Team India won that match and also won the series. And so many historical innings in ODI cricket against the England had played Sachin sir. This is the reason. And the battle between Anderson and Sachin sir, it was remarkable batting. Nine times had Anderson has out to Sachin, but Sachin has also made so many runs against the Anderson. So this is the reason the BCCI and ECB, England Cricket Board and Indian Cricket Board of Control, has decided to rename the Test Trophy, which has been come a Pataudi Trophy since 2007. So the trophy has been now renamed, and so many series we have played as a Pataudi Trophy. But now the time has to change, and we will know the this test series as a Anderson Tendulkar Trophy 2025. So very famous. This has been changed, and firstly, Sachin has denied to organize this new trophy because due to plane crash in Ahmedabad. But later on, he had to agree, and the Pataudi Trophy will remove the name, but the Pataudi medal will be given to the winning captain and their teammates when the series will win, whether it is India or England. So there is has been a greatest battle between Sachin sir and Anderson, and both players are legend for their countries. Where Sachin has most number of runs in India England Test series, and Anderson has most taken wicket for England in the battle of India England Test series, a bilateral Test series. So this trophy has been a significant more, whether it is a Border Gavaskar Trophy we are listening, and its Asage, and now we will create another historical milestone regarding this trophy, Anderson Tendulkar Trophy 2025. It is beginning not on 30th June for the Test series, and it will be always play till the end of this rename. And who will remove that name, I don't know, but this trophy must be as far as long, and I hope we will see a different kind of cricket, different kind of battle, whether we are watching since 2000 era where England India draw the series 1-1. Then in 2007 we have won the series 11, 14, and 18 were not so good tours. But in 2021-22 we have draw the series, and now we had started well in this Anderson Tendulkar Trophy 2025. but we are so hopeful our young team will always make a difference and we will win the trophy. So बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त डिसीजन लिया गया या इस ट्रॉफी को चेंज करने का। जो लेगसी चली आ रही थी पटौडी सर की ट्रॉफी से, वो लेगसी ख़त्म नहीं होगी। इट वाज ए ग्रेट मूव बाय सचिन सर। उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया बीसीसीआई को कि लेगसी जो है वो ख़त्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, जो परंपरा है वो ख़त्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, और इसी वजह से जो पटौदी मेडल दिया जाएगा विनिंग कैप्टन को जब ये टेस्ट सीरीज़ ख़त्म होगी और इसके जो रिजल्ट्स अंत में आएंगे पाँचवें टेस्ट के बाद। बट ये एक नया आगाज़ है इस नए युग में। और एंडरसन तेंदुलकर ट्रॉफी 2025 इसी टेस्ट सीरीज से शुरू हुई। एंडरसन ने बहुत सारे विकेट, सबसे ज़्यादा विकेट आप कह सकते हैं, लिए हैं इस इंडिया इंग्लैंड की टेस्ट सीरीज़ में। और सचिन सर ने मोस्टली सबसे ज़्यादा रन बनाए हैं इंग्लैंड में। सचिन सर के आई थिंक मुझे याद पड़ता है तो केवल एक ही शतक है, एक बड़ा शतक है, और बहुत सारे अर्धशतक हैं। इंग्लैंड में कंडीशंस उतनी आसान नहीं रहती है, लेकिन फिर भी सबसे ज़्यादा रन आई थिंक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1600 रन सचिन सर के हैं इन इंग्लैंड। एंड उसमें 193 की जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इन 2002 में, बहुत ज़बरदस्त इनिंग थी। इसके बाद 2007 में भी वो शतक से थोड़ा सा चूक गए थे, वो साइमन टॉफल का गलत डिसीज़न। एंड इन 2011 में 4 या 5 उन्होंने हाफ सेंचुरी जरूर लगाई थी। तो इट हैज़ बीन ए रिमार्केबल स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस बोथ बोर्ड्स। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड आई होप कि यह सीरीज भारत जरूर जीतेगा, क्योंकि अच्छे शुरुआत हुई है। कल भारत ने 350 रन के करीब बनाए। एंड आई होप दिस विल बी ए ग्रेट move and we will see a different kind of battle and exciting battle as well. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope you are enjoying this India England test series on the Sony Pictures Network, Sony 1 HD in English, Sony Sport 5 HD in English, and Sony Sport 3 HD in Hindi. Thank you so much for being here, and after the lunch I will come and update what's the score and how many wickets India had fallen. Thank you. Have a great day and good night.